Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to activate the emoji stickers in your Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max. Firstly, we need to open settings, and wait a moment, I need to go here, and now we have to go straight to the general. Here in the general we have to scroll down to the keyboard over here, and now here we have to search for the stickers actually, which are over here. Emoji stickers. By default they are enabled, so don't worry about that, but if you have them disabled like this and they are gray, enable that just tapping on this slider switch actually. Now if you go to, for example, notes, open our keyboard, tap this emoji button, and here tap this face icon over here, you can see stickers in our iPhone's keyboard. And we can add even our own stickers, but this is a topic for the other video. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.